Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies soft and chewy. Achieving that perfect texture starts with understanding your ingredients and how they interact. We'll cover the importance of using specific types of sugar and fats, and how their ratios affect the final chewiness. Get ready to transform your cookie baking with these simple yet effective techniques, ensuring every bite is delightfully soft and satisfying. The secret to soft sugar cookies often lies in your ingredient choices. Using a higher ratio of brown sugar to white sugar introduces more moisture, contributing to that desirable chewiness. Also, ensure your butter is at room temperature and cream it thoroughly with the sugar for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This process incorporates air, leading to a lighter, softer cookie. Consider using cake flour or a blend for an even more tender crumb. Proper mixing and baking are just as vital as your ingredients. Once you add the flour, mix only until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, making cookies tough. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes helps prevent spreading and concentrates flavors. When baking, aim for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove them from the oven when the edges are set but the centers still look slightly soft for that perfect chewy texture. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This allows them to set without breaking and continues the cooking process slightly. For optimal softness, store your cooled sugar cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. Adding a slice of bread to the container can also help maintain their moisture. And hey, if you're looking for ways to keep your treats fresh or simplify your meal prep, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.